When it comes to burgers, here at Piper's Farm, we like them to be totally natural, free from chemicals and preservatives, and incredibly tasty. Today we're showing you how we make our venison burgers. These are packed with flavour and nutrients as they're made using our completely wild and free-ranging venison meat, which is probably one of the most ethical and sustainable choices for your plate. The only ingredients we add are onions, apples, mint, salt and black pepper. Everything that you'd find in your own kitchen. There is truly nothing ultra-processed about our burgers, or indeed about any of the food we produce here at Piper's Farm. All those ingredients get put through the mincer before finding their way into our incredibly hard-working burger making machine, which forms these wonderful patties that you all know and love. The burgers are then prepared to be blast frozen to lock in flavour and nutrients to ensure you get the absolute best eating experience once they land in your homes, on your plates and into your tummies. And there you have it, simple, nutritious, delicious burgers you can trust.